Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Avro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you set up an email on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to set up an email, just go to your settings. After going to your settings, scroll down and here you can see mail. Click on mail. After clicking on mail, click on accounts. And here you can see there is option add account, the third one. Click on add account. Now you can select any of the following options. I'm going to select Google. Now just enter the email or phone number, and after that click on done and next. Now just give your email password and click on next. Click on continue. Scroll and click on allow. Now click the top right save, and here you can see the account has been added. So guys, that's how you can set up email on iPhone or iPad. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Avro. Thank you so much for watching the video.